first of all, what is no-code? No-code essentially is a set of tools that allows you to build software or create automations without having to program or code and without having to understand programming language or coding language at all. It means that you are building things that have code in them, you just don't have to interact with that code to be able to get things done. So this is just a very exciting movement because what it does is that it makes technology way more inclusive. Now, for me, one of the things that's important about that is that we're living in an era where technology and being digitally savvy is a huge advantage. So the fact that these no-code tools allow us to do things without necessarily having to spend 6 years learning how to code, it really means that more people are going to be able to be part of the conversation. So we think of things like Wix and Squarespace, which allows us to build sort of a website. But now the set of tools are way more flexible, they're a lot more scalable, and they are a lot more customizable. So you can really build all sorts of experiences. And so when we talk about that within the context of inclusion, what that means is that now we're talking about transformations happening, right? We're talking about someone who prior to this might have just been a designer, who now can not only design, but can also fully build something. We're talking about industries that prior to this were not necessarily considered to be technology industries. Let's talk about pop culture. So like skateboarders, actors, musicians. Now all of these people are starting to also run their own businesses, right? And so the ability of leveraging no-code tools would allow that individual in just a couple of months to learn some of these tools and to be able to build really powerful solutions either as a business or literally just to showcase their art or showcase something that they do.